Will AI steal your job? Picture waking up to a world where your job no longer exists. AI has taken over. But it's not the end, it's a new beginning. And if you stay until the end, I'll share not just one, but two secrets with you that can safeguard your career against the AI revolution. This journey isn't just about acquiring knowledge, it's about proving your expertise and getting rewarded for taking the leap. But there's a twist in this tale. AI doesn't just replace, it also creates. Stay with me as we unveil the blueprint to not just survive, but thrive in the AI era. The power to adapt and prove your adaptability is yours. Every day, AI becomes more capable. Some jobs will be automated, but that's only one side of the story. In factories, offices, even creative studios, AI is stepping in. It's a daunting shift, but history shows us that with innovation comes new horizons. For every job AI streamlines, new roles emerge in tech, analytics, and beyond. The future belongs to those who are ready, and those who can prove they're ready. Remember, I promised you two secrets that will change how you approach your career in the age of AI. Keep watching. You won't want to miss this. Here's the first secret. Mastering AI through learning and earning a certification that showcases your expertise. Our course at getcertified.ai isn't just about understanding the future, it's about being recognized as a part of it. Equip yourself with knowledge and the certification to back it up. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the second secret. As a special thank you to our YouTube subscribers, we're offering an exclusive discount on our certification course. Use the code AISKILLS at checkout for $50 off. But hurry, this limited time offer is exclusively for our subscribers and won't last long. Don't just watch the future happen, be a part of shaping it. Begin your journey to stand out in the AI-driven job market today. Subscribe, enroll, and take the first step towards securing your career in the age of automation. And remember, the future is in your hands.